Sour Lemons, Primo part for bars 1 through 8. We begin with hands in C position. We have a C, a D sharp, and an E, a little crunch chord. That, then there's a rest, and that again with a rest. In between, when those rests happen, the left thumb plays G. So we have a right, left, right, left. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, left. Then you have a bar of 4 counts of rest. In those 4 counts of rest, you have to pick up your hands and move them in the same shape to G, where your thumb is on G, your 2 is on A sharp, and your 3 is on B, white key. So you got a crunch chord in G position, followed by the thumb on D. Another crunch chord. Remember the rule about sharps. Once a note is sharp, it stays sharp for the rest of the bar. So we have the crunch chord in C position with the G, crunch chord, G, move it up so that your thumb is on the G, 2 is on the A sharp, 3 is on the B, and the thumb is on the D. Right, left, right, left. Let's do it in good time now. So we start in C position, I count, and we play together just the first 4 bars. 1, 2, ready, go. Crunch, thumb, move 2, 3, 4. Crunch, thumb, rest, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that first line one more time. I count and we play. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Crunch, thumb, move 2, 3, 4. Crunch, thumb, rest, 2, 3, 4. Now let's learn bars 5 through 8. It's pretty simple because they're all crotchets and they're all going to be slurred until bar number 8. Right hand has 5 notes in a row, 5 on the D, step down to C, step down to B, step down to A, step down to G. At this point, we've got to cross the 3 over to the F sharp, then the 2 is on the F natural white key, and the 1 is on E. Notice I haven't moved my left hand because I'm going to play that same D that I played in the top line, stepping down 5 notes. Then it's staccato for the G. I move my right hand 5 to be on the G. Now I'm in C position, and I move my left hand down, ready to play bar 9 with the sharps, 2s on the sharps. Let's take a look at that again before we do bar 9. Let's put 5 through 8 hands together, super slow. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross 3, 2 white, 1 E, left hand D, C, B, A, G, rest, G, move, right, left. Okay, let's make that connection one more time. Start up in G position, right hand 5 on the D, left hand 1 on the D. I count and we play together from bar 5. 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross, 3 sharp, 2 white, 1, left hand 1, 2, 3, move the right, 5, left. Okay, one more time, just bars 5 through 8. Start up in G position with the 5 on the D, 1 on the D. I count and we play together. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, right hand, left. Okay, let's see if you remember how to do the first line with the right hand crunch and the thumb G. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Crunch, 1, crunch, 1, move, 2, 3, 4. Crunch, 1, crunch, 1, rest, 2, ready, play. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross 3 sharp, 2 natural, 1. Left hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest, 5, rest. Right hand, left. Very good. One more time from bars 1 through 8, and then we're going to try to make the connection. So in C position, right hand 1, 2 sharp, 3, left hand 1. Crunch chord, 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, move, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, rest, 2, 3, 4. Right hand, stepping, thumb cross 3, 2, 1, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest move, 5, rest. Right, left, hand, left, right, both, hold it, right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, right, both, right hold, third hold. Fantastic. Let's see if we can do it one more time. Hands in C position, ready for the crunch chord in the right. 1, 2 sharp, 3. Left hand 1 on the G. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, move, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, rest, 2, 3, 4. Right hand, stepping, 1, cross 3, 2, 1, left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move the hands, 5, rest. Right hand, left, hand, left, right hand, D, both, hold it. Right hand, left, hand, left, right hand, both, hold, third hold. Very good.